Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's go to the software, go to new. We are going to do a solid part modeling. Just untick this use default template, click OK. Now just choose mm because you are going to model in mm solid absolute, click OK. Now just go to the model. Now I'm going to start with the bottom. Length is 96 and height is 16. I just want to extrude to 64. I'm just choosing a front plane, sketch view. So start with center lines, press the roller to confirm. Now I'm just choosing this rectangle, symmetric rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now just go to the model. This is 96, height is 16 and 64 we just want to extrude. This is 90, this dimension is 96, this height dimension is 16. Click this fit screen and click OK to confirm. Now we just want to extrude this rectangular to the distance of 64. Just go to extrude, just rotate your object by using your roller, change this into symmetric. This is 64 dimension, 64 mm. Just click OK to confirm. Now just go to the model. The bottom portion I have done. Then I'm going to model this backside, this one. For this, the height is 34 plus 30 minus 16, and length is up to the length we just want to do it. Just go to the model, rotate your object, select the surface, go to sketch view, go to reference, just close, take the rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now this height, just go to the model. Here they have mentioned this distance is 30 and from this point to this point distance is 34. We just want to remove this 16. For this, 30 plus 34 minus 16. 30 plus 34 minus 16. Press enter. Now we got the distance is 48. Now just click OK to confirm. Go to extrude. Just rotate your object by using your mouse roller. Change the direction. Just go to the model. The thickness is 14. So just go to model. Change the thickness into 14, press enter. Now just click OK to confirm. Go to the model again. This backside portion we have done. Now we just want to make this one. For this, just go to the model, rotate your object, select the surface, sketch view. Now take the references, click this edges, just close. Now I'm going to draw this by using a freehand sketch. I'm making a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now take the line, press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to remove unwanted edges. For that, go to delete segment, click this delete segment, delete unwanted edges, click this edge and this edge also. Now press the roller to confirm again. Now we want to specify the dimensions. Go to the model. Now the inner diameter is 24. and outer diameter is 40. Just go to the model. This is 24 means radius is 6. 12. Radius is 12 and the outer diameter is 40. This is 24. 40 minus 24 is 16. 16 will be divided in the both side. This is 8. This dimension is 8 mm and this dimension also 8 mm. Now we have done. Now just go to the model. The height we just want to specify. The height is 26. 26. Now we have completed our model dimension. Just click OK to confirm. Now just rotate your object, extrude, change the extrusion direction. Now go to the model. Total length we just want to extrude is this length is 22. From 64 we just want to minus the 22. Just go to the model. 64 minus 22. Press enter. 42. Then just click OK to confirm. Now go to the model. This is also we have done. This rib portion we just want to make. For that, go to the model, select the surface, sketch view. Just take the reference, just close, take the line, go to the model. This is up to this it is connecting. The thickness of the rib is 12. Go here, just join these points, press roller to confirm, and again press roller to confirm. We have created this 2D geometry. Now click OK. Now we just want to extrude this. Extrude, change the direction. That extrusion length is 12. Now click OK to confirm. Now we have completed our model. This 2 cut we just want to make. For this length is 20 and this distance is 15. Just rotate your object, select the surface, go to sketch view, reference, select this edges as a reference, just close. We are going to here I just want to make a symmetrical rectangle. For this, center line, press roller to confirm. Now take the rectangle, press roller to confirm again. This distance is 15 and this height is 20. Now we just want to make a circle with a center. Press roller to confirm again. Now we just want to remove unwanted edges. Go to delete segment. Now we have done. Press roller to confirm again. So this is our correct model. That's why this pink color is showing. Just click OK. Now we just want to extrude throughout the length. Go to extrude. Just change the direction. Now this is changed into 2 next. Now click OK to confirm. Now go to model again. Now we want to remove this portion, triangular cut. For this, the height is 30 and this distance is 20. Select the surface, sketch view, go to reference, close. Now choose the line and draw the freehand triangle, freehand sketch with the triangle. Press roller to confirm, again press roller to confirm. Now this distance, go to here, that distance is 20 and this distance is 30. This is 20 and this distance is 30. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we just want to remove material for this section. Choose Extrude, change the direction. It has removed the material. Just click OK to confirm. Now just go to the model. Now we have modeled all the features. We have done our model. Just for viewing, hide over all the planes, points, standard orientation, shading with edges. We have completed our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have a different idea with the easy method of drawing the same component, please comment me. Thank you.